Hey guys, on today's video I'm taking a look at automatic updates right here. So for your car, just go right into your settings. First of all, before we get into updates, make sure Wi-Fi connection, hook it up to your house. Once that's done, just go down and you're going to see updates preferences about. Under updates, you're going to see checking updates. This will check your updates, but that's not what we want right now. What we want right now is go to preference. You're going to see this, download new updates in the background. So you want to turn this on so it downloads those updates when they're available, and turn this on, download updates via Wi-Fi when possible as well. So those are two good things to turn on. Unless you don't trust updates, then turn them off. Now some of you may want to do the updates yourselves, others may not want to, so make sure to turn those on, and then you can just go back and you're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.